Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can prevent any website to save your data on Chrome. So maybe you uncomfortable some sites save your data like password, like any personal ID, personal document. So in order to disable it, you can try to click at the top right corner of your screen and click settings. Here you can click privacy and security. Under site settings, control what information sites can use and show. You can scroll down the additional content setting. Click it, scroll down and try to find on device site data. Sites can save data on your device. By default, allow site to save data on your device is on. Sites are more likely to work as you would expect. Site you visit can save info about what you are doing so that it works as expected. For example, to keep you signed in to site or to save item in your shopping cart. Often sites save this info temporarily on your device. But if you want to a more private, more exclusive, you can click this. Do not allow site to save your data on your device. Although it's not recommended, site may not work as you would expect. Choose this option if you don't want to leave information on your device about site you visit. Or in the middle, you can consider to delete data site have saved to your device when you close all windows. This is like saves option. Site will probably work as expected. You'll be signed out of the most sites when you close all Chrome windows except your Google account if you're signing into Chrome. So maybe I will choose this instead of this. But if you use a public PC, public device, before you visit some sites, you can choose this. Do not allow site to save your data. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. See you in the next video.